Napadpad ang phone ng friend ko sa Green Hills. Kwento ko sa inyo, nagko-commute kayo from Makati to, let's say, Harrison or Taft. Listen to this story and watch out for these people kasi baka nakakasama nyo na sila, hindi mo napapansin. And if ever man, bago kayo sumakay ng jeep, at nakita nyo sila, yes sila, wag na kayong sumakay pa kasi alam nyo na, delikado. Alam mong sobrang sanay nila sa pagnanakaw dahil talaga nang pwede nilang gawin, ginawa nila. Story time na tayo. So recently, nanakawan yung friend ko iPhone, and as you all know, pag iPhone, pwede mo namang ilock yung phone. Pag nilock mo yung iPhone mo, pwede kang maglagay ng note. And sa note na yon, ang nilagay namin is an alternative number, which is my number. Just in case, maasa pa rin na may magagandang loob mga tao paminsan, lalo na pag nalock yung phone, wala na silang pag-asang buksan pa, sana ibalik na lang. Pero, hindi yun yung nangyari, and next level pa ang ginawa nila. As soon as nalock yung iPhone, they noticed na hindi nila ma-open yung phone. What they did was send this message. Sobrang expert nila dahil if you can see, Apple yung nakalagay. Para talaga siyang galing sa Apple mismo na nagsasabing, we've traced your phone, click on this link. If you ever see kinds of message, please don't open it. Ako, alam ko fishy na kasi Apple won't ever send you links like that. Bank man yan, or cellphone man yan, or anything, don't click on links you don't know. We went to an Apple store just to be sure. Now, we did everything necessary para hindi nila mabuksan yung phone. Na-confirm namin na Apple won't ever send you links like that. And if ever man, i-click mo yung link, unlock yung phone, and then wala na, sa kanila na yung phone. We tracked again yung Find My iPhone, and andito siya, napadpad siya sa Green Hills. And I know this is crazy, and I was really hoping na mahuhuli namin sila. We went to Green Hills just to find the phone. But first, explain ko din sa inyo na dapat punta muna kayo sa police. Pero sa sobrang sanay ng mga police doon na laging may nakaw na phone na binibenta at may nagko-complain, they always say na, okay, you can file a police report, but you have to find your phone bago they can take action. It's parang finding a needle in a haystack level. Alam nyo naman yung sa Green Hills, diba? Yung pag-akyat nyo, puno ng mga sellers ng mga phone. Wala, hindi naman namin siya inaasahan din dahil naisip din namin na hindi din siya mabibenta dahil nakalock nga siya. All of the cellphones na binibenta doon ay naka-open na. So since nakalock siya, they can't open it, so they can't sell it. So malamang nakatago yung phone. So we just went there, we just tried, we didn't succeed. But, hindi pa doon nagtatapos ang kwento, guys. Just recently, ando na naman sila. Sila naman lahat. And this time, we got a video and pictures. Sketchy lang mapapansin nyo dahil halata naman na nakamask. Almost lahat sila talaga nakamask para hindi mo makilala. Once they notice na nagbi-video na nagsibabaan na sila, isa lang ang nagsabi ng para. And if you can notice, lahat sila sabay-sabay bumaba. Diba? So if you see these people around Makati, Taft, and if you know them, please lang, pakitampa lang. Ayun lang guys, mag-ingat na kayo. At sa mga taong ito, especially if you are riding a jeepney, we did took the plate number of the jeep just for reference. But yeah, ingat!